This is Cole having a tantrum. Okay, go ahead. Are y'all done now? Are you all done? Are you all done? You're fine. You're fine. Coley, where's Nady? Oh, there's Nady. There's Nady. Are you all done? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're a fussy little toddler and you're gonna scream and cry, then kick your foot and cry some more. I'm gonna get your foot. Who can't decide? Should I be mad or happy? 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 Should I be mad and have a big old tantrum? Or should I be happy? Oh, don't fall on your brother. Oh, jeez. Okay, everybody okay? Everybody's okay? Everybody's okay? Yay, say bye-bye. Keep waving bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, Nady. Wait, bye-bye.